So we were pulling here into Lakewood South Cemetery in South Jackson. Thought we would ride through and show you guys what kind of condition this thing was in. We're gonna do a ride through. We're gonna get out and take some pictures. Show you how bad a shape this is in. Garbage cans just knocked over, which I know that can be from weather, but that's the least of what's going on here. Full garbage cans. Seems really weird for there to be a lot of garbage at a cemetery. The front of it's not so bad. Start getting back here to the back. So they are attempting to do something back here. See dirt work, or that could be from the plots. Knocked over. Flowers there sprawled out everywhere. It looks like somebody kicked it. I mean, there's no valid excuse otherwise. You may end up with some long moments of silence in this as I just kind of ride through here. I'll try to edit as much of the useless footage like this out. Broken cross.
Yeah, but what is this laying on the ground?
It looks like they just had the service.
Okay.
You know, and I'm not sure, maybe y'all can let us know here, whose responsibility is it to keep the grave sites up? You know? Fallen tree branches everywhere. I'm not sure, I don't know a whole lot about cemeteries and stuff, but all these trees and branches knocked over and broken concrete and just all the stuff going on around here. You know, for what they charge people for a grave plot, they should definitely take better care of them. All right, so we're coming back around. Well, this ain't all just to bash these folks. This is kind of give you guys a tour of what's going on here. Like I said in my last video where we went through Lakewood around Clinton Boulevard, we've gotten a lot of requests for this.
Right.
I mean, look at this. This is going to the service. Home. What's that called?
The funeral home.
The actual funeral home. I mean, I'll be honest, I really don't want to drive my car through here. We came here over the summer and it was pretty much abandoned, and it doesn't look any different now. I don't know what a funeral home's supposed to look like, but you would think as much rain as we've had that pond would be full.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if they've got a broken levee somewhere. Look at that grave site there. I mean, it's literally been ripped up out of the ground.
I know. It's awful.
I'm gonna try to zoom in so y'all can see this. I mean, look at this. It don't even make sense.
That bench out there almost toppled over.
Mm-hmm.
Those things are heavy too.
Oh yeah.
It's not easy to like
knock one over.
Yeah. There's another.
Yeah, another one. We got another grave marker that's coming up out of the ground. You can't even see these here. There's just nobody doing any maintenance. And poor Preston there is being lost forever. Even his memory. It's ridiculous. I mean, look at this thing here. These are all straight in line. And you got this one here, and you know nobody was buried like that. I mean, the dang headstone has washed over here or been vandalized and moved. And for some perspective, I mean, we're right here at the entrance. I mean, this is the first thing people see when they pull in. The statue here in their Garden of Remembrance is just falling apart. This right here is somebody's loved one. That is a grave marker up under there. So sad that they're just being forgotten like this by the people who run this facility. And those flowers aren't terribly old. I mean, they're fake, but still, people are coming out here and visiting, and this is what they're having to see. Here's another one here. It's completely engulfed by mud. It actually turns sideways now. Here's someone's grave marker that's been completely moved from there, I'm assuming, to here. I want y'all to see this. This person passed away in 1997. This is their vault and casket. The ground is just eroded away. It's crazy.